What's so truly important about this is that the global #1 campaign featured artists, the #1 artists from around the world from each country. Beanie is the #1 artist in the country for the Philippines, and you represented us so very well. So thank you. Thank you for that. Philippine Arena, are you excited to see Beanie reach new heights? Make some noise. Thank you for your incredible contributions to the Philippine music industry. Mabuhay kayo. Mabuhay ang OPM. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Congratulations, girls! There is your award. Kindly accept it. There you go. Deserve na deserve ng Beanie. Tama ba yun? So girls, after hearing all of that, anong nararamdaman nyo ngayon?
Siyempre, gusto pa namin mag-thank you, Billboard Philippines, for giving us a platform para ma-showcase yung talents namin. Kasi Billboard Philippines, andyan sila palagi kapag may bago kaming songs, pag may bago kaming achievements. Ano ba? Thank you! Kasi, ano ba yon? Thank you kasi etong Philippine Arena, hello, sino ba namang hindi pangarap ang makapag-perform sa Philippine Arena? And bonus na lang talaga na sold out natin. Diba? Sold out. Last day ng selling ng tickets and na-sold out natin. Grabe lang yung pagmamahal ng Blooms sa amin. Blooms, thank you so much! And alam namin, mamimiss nyo kami kasi magsisimula na yung world tour. Pero please know, nadala-dala namin lahat kayo sa bawat bansang pupuntahan namin. And babalik kami, papasalubungan namin kayo ng
Hangin.
Thank you so much, Blooms! Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, wala to. Maraming salamat sa support nyo.
Again, congratulations, Beanie, and thank you very much, Brad and Miss Anne from Billboard Philippines.
Thank you po!
Thank you for that very special announcement. But wait, there's more. From a local recognition to an international milestone. Let's watch this.
And the winner for Best Asia Act for MTV EMA's Manchester 2024 is Beanie.
So, alam ko na lahat tayo inaabangan talagang matanggap na ng Beanie yung award itself. So, congratulations! You have made history, and with that, may I call on ABS-CBN Music Head, Sir Roxy Liquigan, and ABS-CBN TV Production Head and Star Magic Head, our tatay, Direk Laurenti Jogi, to hand the International Award to Beanie!
Fresh from the United Kingdom, ito na po ang award ng MTV Europe Music Awards Best Asia Act, Beanie!
On behalf of ABS-CBN and Beanie Management, we would like to thank all the Blooms na tumulong para makamit itong award na to. So girls, congratulations. Next time, pwede nyo nang kunin sa London mismo yung award na yan. Ha? Congratulations, everyone. Congratulations, girls.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Direk Lauren and Sir Roxy. Maraming salamat po. Girls, ano naman ang reaction nyo dyan? Finally, at merong parang promise si Direk Lauren na next time daw. Talagang
time.
i-accept nyo na international.
Yes. Go mix, go mix.
Why? Why me?
Why not?
It's you. Well, ayun nga. Sobrang speechless namin actually kasi iniisip namin paano kami nakakarating sa ibang bansa ng ganung level kasi you know, we're just Beanie, we're just chilling here and doing our own thing. Hindi, joke lang, hindi kami chill. Lagi kami nagpa-practice, guys. Pero alam niyo yun, alam namin dahil yun sa hard work ng Beanie, ng Team Beanie, ng ABS-CBN, and pati rin syempre ng Blooms namin. Kaya, ayun nga, I know we always say we're always grateful for you guys, but of course, we can't stop saying it because that's what really is, you know? Ikaw na nga, Gwen. Ayoko na.
Hindi, kasi siguro kaya rin tayo ready na tumapak sa global stage. Kasi, alam nyo, yung foundation natin dito sa Philippines, tignan mo naman, napuno natin ng Philippine Arena, di ba? So, solid na tayo, solid yung Blooms natin dito. Kaya siguro may lakas din tayo ng loob and tapang para sumabak sa global stage. And I think kaya ng mga Pinoy yan. Kailangan lang talagang mag-take ng risk. Yes. Yeah.
Tama yan. Very inspirational talaga. Kaya natin mga Pinoy at kayang-kaya. Na-prove na ng Beanie. Once again, congratulations, Beanie! I give the floor back to you now. No more surprises. Let's continue on with the show.
Yes, itong mga awards na to, ng mga pa-surprise na ganyan. Thank you so much po. Ilan lang po to sa mga pinagpapasalamat po namin. Actually, itong year na to, hindi siya naging madali for us as a group. February pa lang pero ang dami na nangyari. And I think this is the perfect time, 'di ba, para bumalik tayo sa mga nangyari last year. With the help of our Kuya Robbie, ina-narrate niya, plus some hints of surprises for our 4th anniversary! Happy anniversary, Blooms!